Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of RM Cookbook. Hope you all been well. Today I'm going to share with you a very delicious recipe of brioche bun, which is also known as burger bun. So I'm going to show you how you can make this recipe very easily at home. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, consider subscribing because this is going to be a two-part recipe. On the first part I'm going to show you how you can make these buns, and on the next part I'm going to show you how you can use the freshly prepared brioche bun to make your delicious burger. For my recipe I'm going to use my bread maker. So bread maker does all the heavy lifting. Here I'm going to add around 400 grams of white strong flour. To that I'm actually adding 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of raw milk. If you don't have raw milk, you can use any form of milk, but raw milk is extremely good for your health. So there is a description in the description section I put in to give you the benefit of raw milk. To that I added 50 grams of slightly salted butter and adding around 180 milliliters of water and 2 eggs beaten to the mixture. So that's basically what you need for preparing around 5 buns or 5 brioche buns. Obviously this is a raisin bread, so I need to add my yeast, and here I'm adding around 1¼ teaspoon of yeast. Now if you don't have a bread maker, you can actually use the normal way. Mix all the ingredient, knead it all through, cover it up, put it aside in warm oven, no more than room temperature, which is basically 40 or 50 degrees C in a warm climate, and just put it aside till the dough has doubled in size. In my case, the bread maker did all the heavy lifting, gave me the dough at the end, and you can see the dough is very nice and pliable. And then all I do is deflate the dough slightly, cut it into more or less equal size of pieces. Here I actually get 5 buns out of it, and all I'm doing is folding it first, then rolling it, making it into a round shape, which you can see over here, and then I'm going to put all of those 5 buns made aside for 20 minutes for proofing. Either you can put it at 30 degrees Celsius oven or in room temperature and let it rise a bit. Then just glaze the top with some milk, or if you want shiny glazing on the top at the end, you can use egg wash, and sprinkle some sesame seed. Put it in the oven at 180 degrees C for 10 to 15 minutes and your buns are ready. And that's basically how easily you can make this super delicious brioche bun. Hope you like this recipe. If you did, give us a like, share it with your friends and family, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, consider subscribing. In the next section I'm going to show you how you can use these buns to make a very delicious burger. Stick around for that, and hope to see you in the next episode. Till the next time, thank you very much for taking the time to watch our video. As usual, take care.